Okay, so in this question, they want to say a researcher wishes to test the effectiveness of a flu vaccination. 150 people are vaccinated, 180 people are vaccinated with a placebo, and 100 people are not vaccinated at all. We have like 3 different groups, right? Vaccinated with a fake, a placebo, and then not vaccinated at all. They do the fake group, like they give them a shot of just like water, just to make them think they received the vaccine, because we know, medical science has shown in the last 100 years how much the mind affects the body. So we want to make sure that it's not just them being mental. So we give 180 people the fake, so they think they got the vaccine. 150 people the actual vaccine, and 100 people, we just say to them straight, you ain't getting the vaccine. They know they don't get the vaccine. And we just want to compare the 3 groups. And what we're hoping to see is that the 150 people got the actual vaccination do much better. That means it's medically, physically doing something. It's not just mental. It really makes a difference. All right. The number in each group who later caught the flu was recorded. The results are shown below. So caught the flu. So among the vaccinated, 8 people caught. 142 did not. The placebo, 20, a lot more than double. And the control group, 21. So it looks like it's working, huh? 129 did not. So it looks like the vaccinated did much better. Anyway, let's test the claim. Test the claim that the proportion of people catching the flu is independent of whether they received the real vaccine or not. Okay, now I know what's hard for you on this exam, for most students anyway, if you're like most students, it's being able to figure out, how do I know which one I'm supposed to do? Well, the most important words are the claim. So read what the claim says. It's really careful reading. Test the claim that the proportion of people catching the flu is what? Independent of whether they receive the real vaccine or not. We're trying to say, look, it doesn't matter. We're testing the claim that it just doesn't matter. It's independent. It's separate. That whether you get the real vaccine or not, it has no connection to whether you catch the flu or not. Independent. So where are we going to go in the notes? Well, test for independence, right? We go to the notes here. Here's exam 4 notes. Well, here, maybe I already have it down here. Yeah, that's it right there. Let me put down here. Yeah, there it is. So here it is on the exam 4 notes. It's this one. It's independence. Test for homogeneity or independence. Either way, same thing. Here we go. HO, row and column variables are the same, or independent. So HO is independent. H1 dependent. Let's write that. HO independent, H1 dependent. Let's start there. Independent, H1 dependent. Okay. Coming on down here. Okay, so we get that note. Independent means they do not affect each other. Dependent means they do. Okay. Now go second matrix. To get the matrix menu, move over to edit, select the size, 2x2, 3x3, whatever. Input the matrix, hitting enter after each entry, hit second, mode quit, and then stat test, x squared test, chi-squared test. That's it. Okay, so I'm going to do that. That's what we do. So I'm going to go second matrix, which is above the math, no, above the x to the -1 button, x -1. Matrix is up there. Hit that. So hit second that. Then go over a couple times to the edit menu. Hit enter. And then you're going to choose ours. What is this matrix up here? This matrix goes down 2 rows over 3 rows. You're going to choose 2x3. Hit enter after each of those. And then you put in the matrix. 8, 20, 21, 142, 161, 129. So it's always down first. Notice when we put in the size of the matrix, it's always the first number is the down, and the second number is the across. Down 2, across 3. All right. So it's 2x3. Put those in there. I'm doing mine right now. And when you're done with that, you get that in there, hit second in the mode quit button to quit out of that. All right, that's what the notes say somewhere down here. second quit, and then go to stat, test, x squared test. So now I'm going to go, so this is, go to stat, over to test, go down to the x squared test, which is C. Not the goodness of fit, the chi-squared test, not the chi-squared GOF test, just the chi-squared test on C. Hit enter, and then it'll say observed, and it'll already have an A there for you. That's perfect. Expected, I'm going to scribble in here. Expected. It'll already have a B there. That's great. And then just hit calculate. Enter. So boom, got it. Okay, when I do all that, here's what I get. I get a p-value. Bring it over here. My p-value comes out to be 0.0409. Okay, now, oh yeah, and that's what they want, huh? On this problem, they're saying, find the p-value right here. Find the p-value. So round to 3 places. So if you round this 3 places, 9 rounds up. That's 0.041. There we go. The p-value is 0.04, and that's all they want us to do in this one. They don't want to draw any conclusion. Just give them the p-value. There's the p-value. There we go.